MLB prize picks for Wednesday, May 29th. I'm Sniper from DFS Army. Hit that like button. We go 4-1 in yesterday's 5 picks. We'll look for a clean sweep today. It is 5 more plays. Let's hit the intro. Let's go to work. All right, this was yesterday's play. McGill actually went first yesterday and ruined the chance of a 10x right away. But then everybody else comes in the late games. We double our money. We move on from there, and this is the DFS Army Proptimizer that's going to help us find 5 plays for today. Play number 1, Shohei Ohtani, less than 1.5 strikeouts. Line at minus 140 over on BetMGM, so great odds value. 1.23 on the projection model in the tool, also solid. And the last 10, he's only been over 2 of the last 10 games. Yes, it is 2 of the last 3, so starting to strike out a little bit, but really the odds and projection too good for me to ignore. So let's head on over to Prize Picks and let's lock in Shohei Ohtani, less than 1.5 strikeouts. Make sure the play did not get pulled off the board, which can happen when you are hunting for the best value possible, like the tool lets us do. But Ohtani is available. So that's play number 1. Play number 2, Julio Rodriguez, more than 1.5 hits, runs, and RBIs. Line minus 140 at DraftKings, minus 135 at BetMGM. That's the odds value we like. Projection model 2.03, also solid, and he's been over in 10 of his last 15 games. Checks all the boxes in both of those places. So we head on over to Prize Picks. Put in Julio Rodriguez, more than 1.5 hits, runs, and RBIs. Back to the Proptimizer. See how easy this tool is. We'll take a quick break right there. You see what this tool can do. If you want access to the tool, link down below, Sniper20, to join DFS Army, get access to all the picks plays that we have, including the Discord. And if you're not on Prize Picks, that link's down below too. You get a $100 deposit match up to $100 and 2 free months at DFS Army. Same deal for Underdog and Sleeper. And Sleeper is up to a free $500. Let's go back to the Proptimizer now that we've done a little bit of the promo work here. Make sure you go check out those links. Really good deals. But for now, let's look at Andres Jimenez. More than 1.5 total bases. Minus 140 on DraftKings and BetMGM. Minus 133 over at Caesars. Projection not quite up yet. Going to record these in the morning. I'm sure that the math is being math as we speak, and everybody will have access to the projection later in the day. I'm still going to roll with him. He's been over 6 of the last 10 games, and we got a Coors Field game here. I'll go ahead. I'm relatively confident that projection is going to be over, but regardless, I'll follow the odds form and Coors Field here for this pick. And we head back on over to Prize Picks, and Jimenez more than 1.5 total bases to play. Hits, runs, RBI line all the way up at 2.5. Don't see that a lot. Really, just the Coors Fields games you see that in. That'll be play number 3. Play number 4, we got to go down a little bit, but it's Ryan Pepiot, less than 6.5 strikeouts. Lined anywhere between minus 130 on DraftKings, minus 137 over at Caesars. Again, the tool has got an extra start stuck in here, but he's been under in 3 of his last 4 starts. And the projection model is at 5.87. Does hitters, it does pitchers. Tools got other sports involved as well. Make sure you subscribe to get plays every single day. Let's go find Ryan Pepiot. Less than 6.5 strikeouts. I got 5 plays queued up for today. We're going to take another swing at 10 times our money, and we're going to land on another pitcher under for the final play. It's George Kirby, less than 5.5 strikeouts. Projection model 5.08. You can make plays on the sportsbook just based on the projection model. There's more tools available here. I've covered in some other videos. The Sleeper Proptimizer is up. But this, we take odds value number 1, and that's anywhere between minus 140 on FanDuel. Minus 123 on Caesars isn't great. He's been under in 4 of his last 5 starts. Projection model 5.08. And it really is that easy to use the tool to find plus EV plays. I don't know why. I almost forgot how to spell George Kirby. Heat of the moment. It's interesting. This is a fire emoji type play here on Prizepicks. That's usually for the over. Odds say go under. Projection says go under. I'll be interested to see what happens with this line throughout the day. So those are the 5 plays. Hit the like button if you did not already. Here's the recap. Shohei Ohtani, less than 1.5 hitter strikeouts. Julio Rodriguez, more than 1.5 hits, runs, and RBIs. Andres Jimenez, more than 1.5 total bases. Ryan Pepiot, less than 6.5 pitcher strikeouts. And George Kirby, less than 5.5 pitcher strikeouts. We locked that in. That's what I got for the play today. 5 plays in about 5 minutes. One more time, hit the like button, drop a comment with what your favorite play is. Take advantage of those promo codes down below. Free months at DFS Army. Get the free money deposit matches and all the prop sites that are available out there on the market. Good luck. Here's that daily reminder that whether or not you are a DFS Army member, you probably should be. But either way, good luck. Let's cash those tickets.